Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about C++ while loop. So let's see what is it. So first one we are having is C++ loops. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Okay, so loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make codes more readable. So in that case, what happened? First, we studied loops are executed a block of code. It will execute a block of code as long as specified condition is reached. So the particular condition is valid till then the block of codes will be executed. Okay. So for example, now on screen we will try one example here. So these are the few kind of condition I have mentioned for the break one. I will remove these condition and will try to do the loop condition here for the what is loop exactly. So in that case, first I am going to write C out and then some particular things which I want to print. So name I will print. Okay. So in that case, one loop is already created and inside that I have to put some conditions. So we will be able to get that. So here I have mentioned few C outs that will be the outputs that we want to print with. So I will just mention all these kind of things. So these are the condition I need to put. I will just remove it and I will just write while the loop will start from here inside the bracket. So while int I will first write int I equal to 10. Now I will write the conditions. I is greater than 0 and then C out. If I is greater than 0, then name. Okay. So name, instead of name, I will write the I here. If the I is greater than 0, then it will C out will be I and the I will be decrement this time. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Let me run this particular program, then we will see what all the things we will get. Okay, so I have just run this particular program and then we'll see is there some error or not. I guess. And then all the conditions are true. While running this program, it will take little bit of time. Then you will be able to understand how to do this. Okay. So now on screen, semicolon was missing. So again, I will run this particular code and we'll see what is the issue here. And what are, if there is no issue, what is the output we are going to get? Okay. So here on screen, you can see that I have got all the output 1, 0, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So that is how, if the I is smaller than 10, then the condition will be proved and we will get this. So as you can see, it is written the while loop loops through the block of code as long as the specified condition is true. If the condition is true, the block of code to be executed. So first you have to write the condition here. So as you can see, I have mentioned I is smaller than 10. Then the block of code will be executed if the condition is true there. Okay. As I showed you one example, so you understood how to do that. Okay. On screen, you can see that I have mentioned this. So one more thing I will mention here. In this case, you can see I have mentioned the program here. Fine. And then condition I have mentioned is I is smaller than 0. The I is greater than 0. So this is this condition is true. So I will be incremented here. So now on screen, you can see that we got the output like that. So that is how you can create it. Let me comment down this particular thing. Then we'll just make few changes. Okay, and then let me do it, then I will let you know how to do this. I will just comment it out here, and then now on screen we will see that how to get the particular particular output for this particular code. Okay, so it will help me to understand. I will mention few things, so we will be able to see. So for example, I am going to write do condition, do loops here. So in that case, do while, what is going to happen? I will mention C out high, and then while if the condition is true, then this do condition will be incremented. Okay, so if I hope you understood how to do this. I have mentioned the condition I is equal to 10, and after that do I have mentioned cout will be cout is high, and while if the condition is while I is greater than 0, then I have mentioned the semicolon, and then I will write according to this condition. I will mention one more condition if I want to. Otherwise, I have already mentioned that cout equal to high if I is smaller than 0. Okay, so once you'll run this program, so you will be able to see that you will be able to check if this particular condition is true or not. If that condition is true, then you will get the output like that. Fine. So that is how you can create it. So the do while loop is variant of a while loop. The loop will be executed the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will be repeat the loop if you want to see if this condition is particular condition is true. Then what is going to happen? Yeah, so that is what is going to happen. This particular code, the cout, will be print as your outer screen. So that is how you can create it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to C++. Thank you so much.